In this video, we're going to take a look at balcony stateroom 9680. Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Doobie-Doo Travels. And we are on the beautiful Symphony of the Seas. For this stateroom, your mustard station is on deck 6 in G1. In this stateroom, you have a beautiful bathroom, 2 closets, a couch, 2 twins that convert to a royal king, a desk, a dresser, and a balcony. In the first closet, you can see there's plenty of hanging area. It is deep and long, which works out really good to put your luggage in there to store. The couch is very comfy. It's kind of deep, but it is very nice to sit on. In the second closet, there are shelves, a hanging area, and a safe, which worked very good for my clothes, and I was able to put my suitcase in the bottom. There are 2 drawers, soft close. The bottom drawer my mom used for her C-Pap machine. Next, we're going to go over to the desk area, where you have 3 US outlets and a European. This mirror has a light to help you do your makeup and your hair at night. The desk area was really good to collect all of our papers during the week. In this dresser area, you have 5 soft closed drawers and a cabinet. In the cabinet, you will see that there is a refrigerator. Next, you'll see a large television opposite the bed area. Next, we're going to go over to the 2 twin beds, which could convert to a royal king. You will see on this side of the bed, there is an outlet for a C-Pap machine. If you put the 2 beds together and put that end table on the side, you'd be able to put your C-Pap machine on it at night. This side of the bed does not have an outlet, but it does have a little table. In between the beds, it was really tight to get in, so we didn't do that. On this balcony, there are 2 chairs with ottomans and a table. Great to sitting out, chatting the day away with a beautiful view. Next, we're going to take a look at the bathroom. The shower was larger than the one I had on Jewel. It also had a dispenser for bath wash. It had a shelf for my shampoos and conditioners, and it had a grab handle, the toilet, and then next there was 3 shelves and the sink with the counter space, and underneath there was more storage on the shelf and a garbage can. I'd like to set up this bathroom. The shower seemed larger than the one that I had on Jewel back in September. The glass door was definitely a plus. It made the shower feel bigger. Another great aspect about this stateroom is that it's just down the hall from the elevator and the stairs. You're only a couple floors up from the boardwalk in Central Park, where they have dining venues and bars. And you also have the Rural Promenade just a couple floors down. That worked out great. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.